So I'm thinking about lots of things, and one of the things is the internet. I'm trying to conceive of just how powerful the internet is in our lives and will continue to be in our lives as it develops and becomes more and more powerful and useful to us. What I'm thinking is that the internet is essentially like a brain for the earth. And in that sense, the human beings on the earth, all 8 billion of us, are like neurons for that brain. So the earth is essentially an intelligent being because of the way we have our internet connecting all of these people together. And the people are essentially like neurons, and so the internet is like a brain for the earth. But that's not really what I'm focusing on. What I'm thinking is humanity has developed over time in different stages to get where we are today. And it seems to me that the internet is the last step in that stage for now. So we've got the development of farming, development of medicine, development of hunting techniques in communities and towns and in cities and in countries. We've had so many different stages in our development, and the internet is another stage in that development. And the internet is fascinating in the way it connects people and enhances our brain power, and our stored knowledge is all kept safe so we can build on what we've achieved. We're not losing anything with the passage of time. So we're only getting bigger and stronger and more capable over time as a species. And I don't know what could come next after the internet. It seems to me that the development of the internet is the main thing we will be doing. I can't currently conceive of some other step that will come that surpasses the internet. So we have all these different stages in history where we've made different things happen. And the internet is pretty much the last stage in our progression so far. So things will come after the internet, but I can't imagine what that will be. Those will be. But the issue is just how amazing the internet is and what we will be able to achieve as an entire species because of the existence of the internet. The internet combines all of our brains together intimately, and as the development of the internet progresses, we will become more and more closely related to each other. And it's almost like the earth is one being, is becoming one being, and all of the people on the earth are part of that being, and the internet is a brain for the earth. And it is stunning to try and think of what humanity might achieve with the passage of time. It is just incredible that we might invent something that surpasses the internet. I can't conceive of that right now, but there might well be. But even if it doesn't matter. What we have in the internet is awesome enough, and the things we could do and the places we could go because of the existence of the internet, connecting billions of brains together so that we're essentially, the earth is like one entity with billions of brains forming the neurons of that entity. It is just too much, and my head is hurting trying to imagine where humanity might go because of the existence of the internet and its power to connect 4 billion brains together.